Hello students, last class we learned about the functions of quadratic equations. We saw how we can draw the graphs and we can find out about the nature of the graph by looking at the values of delta and a. I hope you remember the values. If you haven't watched the video, you can go back and watch this video. Today's class we will talk about maxima and minima of a quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c. So how we can get the maxima and minimum value? The maxima and minima occurs at x equals to minus b by a. That means when x equals to minus b by a, then the maxima and minima will be minus delta by f4a. Now see, to get this value maximum, we need what? A should be negative. If a is negative, we will get a negative. The negative and negative, we will get a positive answer, and that will be a maximum value. And if we need a minimum value, what do we need? We need a greater than 0. If a is greater than 0, this answer will become what? It will come a negative answer. That time we will get a minimum value. Understood? Let's understand this better using a question. So it's given for all real values of x, find the maximum value for the given expression. Now what we're going to see, first we'll write the equation in proper form. So it is minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Right here, what do we have as a? A is minus 2. So minus 2 is less than 0. So we can easily find maxima. How? Maxima will be what? Minus delta divided by 4a. So we need to find delta. What is delta? Delta is the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus 5 here. 4 into minus 2 into c is 3. So it will be 25. Minus into minus will be plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what we will get is 49. So what will be the maximum value? Over here it's given minus delta. Delta is 49. 4a is what? Minus 2. So minus and minus it gets plus. So we got the value as 49 by 8. So the correct option will be option D. See, when the value of a is negative, the value of minus delta by 4a becomes positive. That's how we get a maximum value. When a will be positive, the minus delta by 4a will still be negative. At that time, we will get a negative value. Fine, let's try a few more questions. In this question is given, if the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus p equals to 0 differ by unity, then find the value of p. So let's assume the roots are alpha and alpha plus 1. So if we do sum of the roots, what are we going to get? Sum of the roots we already know, it's minus b by a. So we have b as 5, a is 1. So alpha into alpha plus 1 is 5. So what we got? 2 alpha plus 1 equals to minus 5. So 2 alpha equals to minus 6. Alpha equals to minus 3. Okay. After that, what we know? What is the product of the roots? So we know alpha into alpha plus 1 will be equal to c by a. C is minus p. It will be minus p by 1. So alpha square plus alpha equals to what? Minus p. Or what we can write, alpha into alpha plus 1 equals to minus p. We know the value of alpha, which is minus 3. Here minus 3 plus 1 equals to minus p. So we will get minus p equals to what? Minus 3 into minus 2, which is 6. So the value of p is minus 6. So what's the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Let's try another question. In this question, it's given alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 4x minus 5, and alpha by beta and beta by alpha are the roots of which equation? So if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, that means what? What will be the sum of the roots? It's minus b by a. So it will be minus 4 by 3. What will be the product of the roots? C by a. So c is minus 5 by 3. Okay, so we got this part, and they are saying alpha by beta and beta by alpha are the roots of another equation. So for that equation, what can we get? Sum of the roots we can find. So alpha by beta, beta by alpha. Since we don't know the equation, so we'll simplify this. If we take LCM, we'll get alpha into beta. We will get alpha square plus beta square. So we already learned what can we write in place of alpha square plus beta square. We can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Here again 2 alpha beta. Now see, we already know these values. What is alpha plus beta? It's minus 4 by 3 whole square, 2 and into this, so it will become plus 2 into 5 by 3. Alpha by beta is again minus 5 by 3. So if we simplify it, what are we going to get? So it will be 16 divided by 9 plus 10 by 3, here minus 5 by 3. Let's further simplify this. What are we gonna get? So here the LCM will be 9. It will be 16 plus 30 divided by minus 5 by 3. So if we cross it will go to the top. 30 plus 16 is what? 46 divided by 9 will be what? 3 divided by minus 5. 3 will go 3 times. Is it divisible on second? So here what we got it as minus 46 divided by 15. So minus 46 by 15 is what? It is the sum of the roots. Okay, I'll erase this part. Now we will find the product of the roots. So the roots are what? The roots are alpha by beta into alpha. So let's find the product of the roots alpha by beta into beta by alpha. See, you can easily see it will get cancelled. So the product of the roots are 1. So we know how to write the equation. It is x square minus sx, which is sum of the roots, plus b, which is the product of the roots, equals to 0. So x square, what are the sum of the roots? It's minus 46 by 15 into x, product of the roots is 1. So minus minus, it will become plus. It will be x square plus 46 divided by 15x plus 1 equals to 0. If I multiply 15 everywhere, it will become 15x square plus 46x plus 15 equals to 0. So which option is the correct answer? 15x square plus 46 plus 1. Done. So I hope all of you understood these simple and easy questions. If you have any doubts regarding any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll see you students in the next class.